Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a quick, simple, and easy last minute run deal for you all, and it actually turns out to be completely free plus a $7 moneymaker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are back at the kitchen table, and I just got back from Walgreens a little while ago from doing this awesome run deal, and I wanted to make sure that you all knew about it. Now, as a lot of y'all know, I haven't been posting any Walgreens videos over the past few weeks. It's just kind of been really busy, and yeah, but I have been keeping up with my Walgreens coupons. Whether I plan on going into the store or not, I always open up that Walgreens account every couple or every 3 days to make sure that I'm clipping those new coupons to my account before they disappear, because we've had a lot of high value coupons. And then of course I always check for the weekly boosters and make a community post and let y'all know, kind of give y'all a quick reminder to go ahead and clip those boosters to your accounts. So what I was doing today was of course checking for next week's digital spin boosters. I opened up my account. This specific account I haven't been using the past couple of months because the spin boosters on there have just been horrible. And nothing new this week. I did receive another spin 60 or spin 65. I'll pop it up here on the screen for y'all so you can see. But that just doesn't, you know, I'm like, I don't really want to go into Walgreens and spend $60-something, you know. So I've been leaving that account alone for now. But while I was checking it, I noticed at the very top there was another spin booster that had just popped up, because I think the last time that I checked my account was on Wednesday. And it wasn't there then, unless it was hiding way down deep into the coupons. And some of y'all may have already seen that. Like I said, I'm not really sure when it popped up, Thursday or today, which is Friday. But it's an awesome spin booster. It is a spend $10 and get back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. So y'all make sure that you check your accounts right now and see if you have that booster on there if you haven't used it already. And I just wanted to make sure that y'all were aware that this deal just, you know, popped up. This spin booster just popped up, and it does expire tomorrow, which is Saturday. So I'm sure that y'all will be watching this video on Saturday. I want to make sure that you guys can get in and get that deal before it is gone, okay? Now, not all accounts will receive that digital booster. I only have it on one out of 2 accounts that I have at Walgreens. So again, just check your account and see if you have it. If you do, you can go into Walgreens and pick up $10 worth of anything. If you need trash bags, if you need milk, if you need cereal, bread, paper products, whatever you need, dog food, cat food, $10 worth of anything. Pick it up, pay $10 out of pocket, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and that's going to make it completely free. Now, here's the little deal that I did. Again, I'm sure a lot of y'all have already heard about this deal because it's at the end of the week, and this has been a hot deal at Walgreens this week. So we have Dove body wash. These are on sale this week for $7 each. And when you purchase 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So I wanted to go in and do this deal really quick and use that spend booster before it expired. So again, picking up 2, that puts you at $7. We have a 7 off 2 digital coupon for the Dove body washes, and I'll pop it up there on the screen so that y'all can see what it looks like. So you're paying $7 out of pocket after that coupon has been applied, and I got back $10 in Walgreens cash. So that is a freebie plus a moneymaker right there. But since this Dove body wash is on promotion for when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. And it is a manufacturer register reward, so that is awesome. We always prefer these over the store register rewards, right? So I got back a total of $14, making this deal completely free plus a $7 moneymaker. So I think that is an amazing deal, super quick, simple, and easy, and it's a great way to end out the week of couponing, and it kind of gets me excited about next week as well. And I think we probably have, I think we have the same exact deal going on next week, but like I said, that spend 10, get back $10 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster does expire tomorrow, which is Saturday, April the 23rd. So make sure that y'all use those if you have them. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention, whenever I was checking out, I did receive a paper spend booster for spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens Cash. So, like I said, I'm kind of excited to go into Walgreens next week and see what kind of deals we can come up with. And hopefully, on my second account, I'll have a little bit of a better spend booster, digital spend booster that I can stack with this paper booster. But if not, that's okay too. I'm happy with this one right here. And then also, this is kind of random, but this coupon did print off as well. It is $2 off for Vicks, NyQuil, and DayQuil products, and it is a manufacturer coupon, but it doesn't expire until June the 17th. So I've got a little while to use that one up. And also, one more note, if you want to do this deal, if you have that spin booster, or if you just want to do the deal by itself, it's a great price. It ends up without the booster, without the Walgreens Cash, and just using that digital coupon, getting back the $4 register reward, it's $3 for two. So you're basically paying $1.50 each, which is still a great deal. But I did want to go ahead and mention that I had a couple of lower value coupons on my Walgreens account, so I did have to go in to my saved coupons folder and remove a 2-off-1 digital coupon, and I think I also had a 1-off-1 digital coupon. So again, check your accounts. If you go in and do this deal, make sure that you remove those lower value coupons before you go up to the register. All right, guys, that's it. Quick, short, sweet, and simple little video. I hope you guys can get out there and grab this deal. And if you've already done it, if you already received your spin booster for spend 10, get back 10, let me know down in the comments below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys can get out there and grab this deal. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see y'all on the next one.